When you are having the healthy Anandamaya Kosha, that is called as the state of ecstasy. Have you heard the term ecstasy? So that ecstasy is the state of absolute bliss. You are experiencing that absolute bliss without related anything to the external world. You don't know what's happening externally, but you yourself is at that stage where you are feeling absolutely blissful. That is the feeling which you will experience when your Anandamaya Kosha is at balance or when it is at the best health. So to reach that stage is all our priority. We are all working on to reach that state of the ecstasy. In the normal days also, there are certain moments where you all experience that ecstasy, but we are not able to maintain that for a longer duration. It is just for that one moment you feel the ecstasy, you feel full, and then again coming back to same patho mode. That's what. So Anandamaya Kosha, like for the same example, if I have to take with the AC, let's say it's a very hot summer day. First of all, I think okay, AC is not working. I think it could be a problem with the external apparatus. So I call the technician. He comes and checks. He says, "No, ma'am, it is proper. There is no electricity." Then I will again wait. I will call for the electricity board, and then the electricity comes. Again, the AC is not working. Then someone says, "Oh, you have to switch on the. There will be one switch. You switch it on, then the AC works." So then I am searching for the switch. I don't know where is the switch. So that is the initially Annamaya Kosha, then the Pranamaya Kosha, electricity, then the willingness to switch it on, then the knowledge layer to search for the switch. Where is that switch? So then, okay, you will find the switch, you will switch it on. Then after all this effort, when you switch it on the AC and it start to give that cool breeze, that one moment of ecstasy, that is called absolute or the pure bliss. So it's like a very superficial correlation, but I think it is easier to understand the 5 layers in this manner. Otherwise, only in the technical theory aspect, if I say, it is very difficult to understand what is this 5 layers. But with this comparison of the AC, I think you all can relate to that Anandamaya Kosha. That is the state of absolute bliss. You are always blissed. There are many sadhakas, there are Mahan yogis who have been in this state. Those who see that they are always happy no matter what happens. No problem. They are, because that absolute bliss is not related to any external situations. It is not related to anything which is happening. That's why even you have so many of the autobiography of the people who have been into the spirituality also. They say that somebody has chopped off his hands and all, but he was still calm and composed. It feels like impossible for all of us. But actually it is reality. It is not just some made up stories. That's reality. Even my father-in-law, you can see that he has a very bad wound here. But with all these things, he is doing everything. He has no connection to that pain. Because that absolute state of bliss is something else. It is nothing related to what we are doing, what his body is going through. It has nothing to do with that state of the happiness. He is still happy. Like I am feeling like crying looking at his hand. But he is absolutely happy, comfortable, no problem, doing all the duties, whatever he is doing. So that is the sign when you see there is activation of the Anandamaya Kosha. So after the Anandamaya Kosha activation, you don't have to depend on someone else or something else or some external factors for the sake of your happiness. Your happiness is cooking inside. It is already there inside. You are much independent to cook your own happiness. You don't have to look for the external situation. That is Anandamaya Kosha. Any questions on this? Okay.